got to have something that you're focused on and something that you're concentrating on. So, I know people always tell me, you say the same thing over and over, but that's what we need. We need redundancy. You got to decide what you want, exactly what you want, and stay focused on it. And so, in some of the courses you'll find, I use a lot of visualization. And so you have to have an image that's created by your mind, and you hold that image in your head. But then you have the image and then you have the feeling, so you get caught up in the image of what you want to be or what you want to accomplish. But the feeling of how you're going to feel once you have it will drive you, because that's that feeling of success, that feeling of I got it, I made it. You got to hold on to the image. Once you hold on to an image and you're holding on what you want to be, like what you want, what's the result that you want, the distractions will fade away. So, you'll watch a lot less TV. You'll waste a lot less time going, wherever you do that, and just waste time because you're focused. So once you really decide what you want, get an image of what you want, how you're gonna look, how you're gonna dress, and how you're gonna feel, and you get caught up in that feeling, and you'll be focused on that. Distractions will fade away.